go. Nigga, fuck the bullshit. Nigga, let go. Nigga, let do this shit. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no stopping. Yeah, this shit for real, nigga. Hey, Danger, please don't hit that lick. Man, don't go back to jail. Man, don't go through R&D. Bitch, don't sit in that cell. Don't use that 15-minute call just to make commissary. Don't look for honor in some niggas you know ain't honorary. Bitch, don't look for no support. You know these niggas ain't crutches. You don't even smoke no more. Don't throw them niggas in Dutchess. When you killed them about respect, they say you killed them for nothing. They say they looking for the Mac. How when I'm never ducking? Man, don't go back to the trap. You know they popped you for hustling. These rappers lying in they track. These niggas ain't really thugging. Most these niggas got a blower that they ain't even busting. Niggas lying on they dick. Niggas just started fucking. Remember sitting in that cell, ain't a soup in your box. Look at you now, stupid niggas swing a coupe through the block. You outside, don't give a fuck if niggas shoot you or not. They say you heated niggas blue, but you too cool to be high. Don't be no player, have some feelings, man. Danger be tender. The last time you was a sucker, bitch, I can't even remember. Shit ain't never sweet. Strong-minded, I ain't never weak. When you get that meal, you gon' eat like you ain't never eat. Rappers always claiming the hood, but they ain't never street. Certified stepper, bitch, you step like you got 7 feet. You a one-on-one, so another, they'll never meet. Story mode, expert level, you will never beat. Niggas in denial, but your flow is undeniable. Never let them down, other niggas ain't reliable. Danger, don't you change, you the illest niggas knowing this. Knowing this, a automatic lose if they go against. They don't really get you. You see the bigger picture, even though they in the photo, them niggas ain't really with you. You so thorough how you did your time, they ain't even miss you. Man, they ain't even send no picture. Ain't give your baby mama nothing. Your daughter need diapers. Danger, listen when I tell you these niggas ain't nothing like us. They'll say that they your friend, but they don't even like you. Gotta be an anaconda, cause you know these niggas vipers. Isolated time in that prison, nigga, you different now. Every time you come on the track, you got a different style. Gotta pay a fee style. This is not a freestyle. We just gon' continue getting money in the meanwhile. How she acting bougie out